At O'Callahan Heating and Air Conditioning Incorporated, we have the experience and expertise to handle all of your heating and cooling needs. Available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, our team of highly skilled technicians is always ready to provide effective and efficient AC and heating system service and repairs, making us the complete one-stop solution for all of your HVAC needs. Contact us today and let us show you the O'Callahan difference. O'Callahan Heating and Air Conditioning Incorporated, where quality service always comes first.